Hey there! In this video, I will show you exactly how to withdraw Sweatcoin to the Trust wallet. Firstly, you will need to withdraw the crypto from your exchange account to the Trust wallet. To do so, navigate to the withdrawal option on the centralized exchange. Locate and select the withdrawal option. Now choose the asset you want to withdraw and fill in all the information including your Trust wallet deposit address. When you've got all the information entered, select the option to confirm. If needed, follow any security verification instructions to complete the transfer. And that's it. You have sent your crypto to your own wallet, meaning you now have complete access and control over your crypto. From here, you can open the Trust wallet to confirm your funds have arrived. Depending on the asset, transfer times can range from a few minutes to much longer. Thank you very much for watching, and don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel.